takeoff, Emirates offer welcome drinks to business class passengers. You can choose between champagne, apple juice, orange juice. Appetizer number 1, seasonal salad, bread, broccoli soup with croutons. They also serve different types of bread, garlic bread, plain thin baguettes, condiments, vinaigrette dressing, unsalted butter, salt and pepper shakers. Appetizer number 2, seasonal salad, bread, smoked salmon with achara, pearl onions, and potato salad with mayonnaise. Seasonal salad, assortment of different vegetables such as lettuce, cherry tomatoes, carrots, and more. You can eat it as is, but it's better with the dressing. Creamy and had bits of broccoli. The croutons were crispy and a perfect addition to the soup. Trying appetizer number 2, this wasn't to our liking. It's pretty okay, but just not our type of dish. Main course number 1, grilled salmon fillets served with creamy lemon sauce, roasted courgette, and quinoa salad. Main course number 2, mushroom tortellini served with sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, and parmesan. Main course number 3, chicken makbus or chicken, marinated in a traditional Emirati spice blend served with fragrant rice and toasted pine nuts. Trying main course number 1, tangy and creamy, salmon was cooked to perfection. The quinoa salad had a weird texture, but you'll get used to it. Trying main course number 2, salty and savory. You can really taste the flavor of the mushroom. The pasta tortellini is filled with cheese. Trying main course number 3. It is like a chicken biryani. The flavors hit you instantly. The chicken is marinated properly and it is cooked to perfection. Dessert number 1, coconut vanilla cake, served with blueberry compote. Dessert number 2, cheese board with an assortment of cheeses, served with crackers, dried fruits, and nuts. Trying dessert number 1, the cake was so moist and flavorful. You can taste the coconut. If you pair it with the blueberry compote, it will taste heavenly. The flavors complement each other. Would recommend getting this too. Trying dessert number 2. This was not liked by our taste buds. If you like cheese boards, then this is for you. But for us, we really did not like this. The cheese was dry and the aftertaste was weird.